Hi and welcome to Level Up Cartooning. Today we're going to be drawing Cuphead, star of the video game Cuphead, Don't Deal with the Devil, as well as the Cuphead show, coming to Netflix this year. All you're going to need to follow along with me is pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? So let's get started. We're going to draw Cuphead step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. In the first step, we'll draw what I call the roadmap to get Cuphead's size, proportions, and pose right. Remember, until the last step where we draw the details, you are to draw as light as possible. Whisper on paper. If you've watched some of my other videos, then you know I use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this drawing, Cuphead is roughly 2 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is 2 of those, not counting his straw. Throughout this lesson, if at any time you need to pause or go back, please do. That's the beauty of this being a video. Watch it as many times as you need to. All right, so let's start with that roadmap of Cuphead. All right, so there's our roadmap of Cuphead, which means we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. Understand we're still drawing as light as possible in this step. You will see that I use guidelines to help me know where to put eyes, nose, mouth. We don't want those guidelines to be there in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out Cuphead's features. There we have it, the roughed out features for Cuphead. Now, with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have all the fun. We get to draw the final details of Cuphead. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done the hard work figuring all that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't hammer that line, mindlessly retracing over the lines you've already drawn. Always look to tweak and improve till the very end. So let's draw Cuphead's details. Okay, so there he is, Cuphead. How do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Cuphead, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfect. You notice I don't spend time coloring Cuphead during the video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Cuphead. With that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it will be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawing a Cuphead. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. Thanks again for joining me, and until next time, keep drawing, my friends.